Builder Supply prides itself on forward thinking, starting in the 1960s when we were one of the first in the region to begin pre-hanging doors. Today, this forward-thinking innovation means powering our entire manufacturing facility with solar power. Using clean energy, we are able to provide homeowners with a product they can both enjoy and be proud of. This new technology allows us to supply the same quality interior and exterior doors assembled with a smaller environmental footprint. At 130 kilowatts, Builder Supply solar power system is one of the largest for a small business in the Carolinas. It's powerful enough to run 2 high-capacity door manufacturing machines, capable of producing 500 door units per day. Builder Supply is pleased to offer Jeld-Wen Doors, the leading manufacturer of doors worldwide. Jeld-Wen is headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina, and offers a wide variety of door styles and finishes to choose from. Our process is a turnkey package, including both manufacturing and installation by our own experienced crews, and our quality control ensures that one of the most important components of your home always operates above expectations. Now, with our new solar-powered facility, you can take pride in not only how your door works, but how it was produced. For more information, visit us online at www.buildersupply.sc.com.